In this video, we'll show you how to deploy Lovable AI project on GitHub. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to go to your projects, but unfortunately I don't have a project, so I will create a simple project. For example, create simple calculator. As you can see, guys, my calculator is ready. Now you need to click the button in the top left corner right here and go to your project settings. Then click on Git, select GitHub, and click this Add Connection button. Then click Add Account and connect your GitHub account to Lovable AI. After that, you will see your connection right here. Click on Connect and your Lovable AI project will be deployed on GitHub. Right here you can see the link. So that's how you can connect Lovable AI to GitHub. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.